So this is similar to your graph book, isn't it? The points are marked. This is the origin O. This is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. Okay. The scale represents the y-axis. This line represents the x-axis. And the marking is there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it goes on. If I am keeping a point, if I am marking a point like here, can you say the representation of point? That means the x coordinate and the y coordinate of the point you can see as in yellow color. X coordinate, how will you calculate? To get the x coordinate of this point, search for the marking corresponding to that in the x axis, which is 2. Okay. To get the y coordinate, search for the value which is in the y axis. It is 1. So this point represents coordinate 2, 1. X coordinate is 2 and y coordinate is 1. If I am keeping another point here. Okay, so what will be the x coordinate? X coordinate will be 3 and y coordinate will be again 3. So the point is ordered in bracket, open bracket, you write 3, 3. Suppose I want to find the coordinates of this point. What should I do? Take the corresponding x coordinate. What is the x coordinate here? 2. What is the corresponding y coordinate? 5. So the point which the green color represents as 2, 5. Suppose you have another point kept here. Okay, what's the specialty of that blue colored point? This blue colored point is on the y-axis. Any point on the y-axis has x coordinate 0. So this point, if I want to mark the coordinate, so what you have to do is open a bracket, means write a bracket, put 0. From where I got 0, any point on the y-axis is 0. Why? Because the corresponding x coordinate you are getting is 0, isn't it? So 0, 3 will represent this blue colored point. Okay, if I am taking another point on the x-axis, what makes the difference? This rose colored point is on the x-axis. If any point we are taking on the x-axis, its y coordinate is 0. Why y coordinate is 0? Because the x coordinate is 5. We are very sure. Okay, to find the y coordinate, we have to move to the left, isn't it? And what is the marking you can see on the left side corresponding to the point 0. So any point, if I am moving the point and keeping it here, then also x coordinate you can see as 3. Okay, what will be the corresponding y coordinate? It is 0. So this point is 3, 0. That means any point on the x-axis, the y coordinate of any point on the x-axis is 0. Similarly, x coordinate of any point on the y-axis is 0. Same way, if I need to find the can you say which are the points? This blue color represents 1, 2. Okay. What about this yellow color? Yellow color represents 3, 3. Again, what about this rose color? 5 and the corresponding y coordinate is 2. So 5, 2. What about this green color? X coordinate is 7. Y coordinate corresponds to 1. So 7, 1. What about this point? Green colored point. It is 6, 0. X coordinate is 6 and y coordinate is 0. What about that point? It's on the y-axis. So x coordinate is 0. So 0. Which point is that? 4. So 0, 4. Clear? So this is how we are marking the point on the graph.